Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. As a matter of fact, I made a watercolor type image from this image the other day, and I didn't satisfy with that result, so I want to try this time. I want to try oil paint like image. Then I'm gonna use different this pencil drawing type image also to make it something interesting, or hopefully something impressive image to make it. Well, let's get started. Now I'm gonna duplicate this layer first, and just want to keep this base image. Turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna work on this base image here. Such a cute girl, beautiful girl. Well, I want to make something successful this time. Go with, well, oil paint. Well, just like smudge tool. So no paint, just texture of the oil paint detail. That's right. Convert to pixel layer so I can touch this image, right? Okay. Just get the texture on the hair. As you see, just like a smudge tool. Go from outside lines. Let's see these hairs. I want to make something nice drawing, painting type image from this photograph to make it beautiful. I painted orange color on this key light from top light the other day when I was painting on watercolor image, but this time I'm on working here. Now I can pick some orange color, then just add more goldish. Finally, I'm done for this. I painted on pretty much and get the oil paint texture all around. Look at this. That's nice. Well. Now, okay, I'm gonna leave it. Right. Now I just want to check this pencil drawing type image. Then I'm gonna change the blend mode, how it's make it look darker, color burn. I'm gonna get some contrast, but same time we're gonna see the grains. I just took out the grains. I don't want the grains again, so just leave it this way and let's see. Maybe, well, this is just oil paint like image I just smudged with the brush, and also I painted, which is if I turn this base image on, then turn this one out, goes like so much different, huh? I add some light on the shadow side of her lighting, some, and here too. Well, no. Well, it took so long time. I got, continue to what? No, I want to change this. That's it. Color burn, 50%. I'm gonna finish up something interesting, something impressive. I just like this luminosity 100%, this real saddle color. Well, let me try this then. Okay, let me see. Select multiple, 1, 2, duplicate layers. Okay, now I'm gonna work on this layer, just paint with the oil brush. Okay, let me try this. Then I'm gonna paint on this pencil drawing type. Now it's luminosity. I'm gonna go back to normal. Then pick some white. Let's see, I'm gonna paint on, convert to pixel layer, then paint on this layer. Just add white area. Okay, now change back to luminosity 100%. We're gonna get the same kind of effect, huh? Okay, now let's see. I'm gonna select multiple again, then marge selected, got together. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer. I'm going to change this layer mode to be multiply. Again, select multiple. Well, just marge down. Then again, I'm going to duplicate layer. Again, change blend mode to multiply. Now I'm going to merge down. Now we got this color effect. Now I just hide this pencil drawing type image. Then I get this oil paint like image. Now I'm going to change. I'm going to work on this new layer, which I triple luminosity. Now change blend mode again, luminosity. Let me see, if I turn this pencil drawing type image on, it's gonna lighten up because this is blend mode, luminosity same. So I'm gonna change this one back to, well, I need to use this anyways. Okay, I'm gonna turn this, no, just turn it off. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this, then move this one, go up. Now turn it on, this one. Then I'm gonna work on these two images, which is this, right? Now go back to this. It's luminosity 70%. Let's see, luminosity 100. Go back this one to normal. This is such a saturated colors. Now I'm gonna work on this layer, but I want to keep this one now, so I'm gonna make duplicate layer, then one is just turn it off to keep it, then work on this layer. Now what I'm gonna do is smudge. Well, using that same oil paint shot, oil paint flat. Now no color, only brush texture. Sort of smudging. Let's see what it's gonna look like. Just take out these grains. Only get the brush texture. Okay, let's see. This one changed to, again, luminosity. Pin light. Let's see, work on this. We get pin light effect, huh? It's interesting. Wow. These colors come from original film. Film has these colors, just emphasize so much. Brownish. Wow, so interesting, isn't it? Okay, I just want to finish up this image, so just, wow, so much art. Just got these colors. Great experimentation now, right? That's so interesting. I got another idea from this experimentation. I got different ideas. Great. That's cool. Well, almost done. Wow, that's so interesting. Look at these colors. And look at these textures. Well, I guess I don't know, I never expected like this. Great experience, experimentation, great experience. Yeah. Alright. Well, okay, I'm done. Colors. The point is colors, I think. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and try once. So neat. Wow, I like this. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.